Hey ladies, my name is Ariel and I recommend LadyBoss to every single woman that's out there on the face of this earth. I found LadyBoss when I was scrolling through Facebook one day, probably like you're doing right now, and I saw Kaelin and decided to take the plunge. Now I know that that was the best decision that I've ever made. LadyBoss isn't just a quick 30, 60, 90-day program. It's a lifestyle that we choose to live. Kaelin has empowered us with the resources and tools that we need to become a better us and to lose the weight that we want. The LadyBoss Trainer app is amazing. My favorite part about it is how the exercises and the weekly meals change out each week, so that way it's always something new and something different. You literally follow it day by day and you can't go wrong. LadyBoss also has LadyBoss labs, and honestly I love every single lab that LadyBoss has created, from the lean protein that tastes like birthday cake to Recover, which helps after you work out in your muscles, to the pre-workout before we work out and get sore muscles. I love the rest. The rest is one of my favorite parts because rest helps me sleep, and I have insomnia, so it's very difficult for me to sleep. Burn really helps too, helps me focus. I have ADHD and it really helps me focus and keep on track and do the things that I need to do, and it gives me great energy without getting me super overworked up. It's the perfect balance between too much energy and not enough. I would recommend LadyBoss to every single woman that's out there on the face of this earth. Seriously, LadyBoss has helped me in more ways than I could ever imagine. I was in nursing school when I first started LadyBoss, and I was very stressed out and didn't know exactly what to do. And LadyBoss really helped me because it laid everything out on the line when I was in such a stressful environment. And I actually lost weight in nursing school. I didn't gain it. Ladies, just trust us. Listen to all of us ladies. You can get a 7-day free trial and join the group. We have over 42,000 women that are inside of this group Facebook community page, and it is nothing but sparkle. Ladies are amazing there. We all support each other and love each other, and we always go there when we need help or when we want to look up to others, or if others want to look up to you. It's an amazing community that you can feel safe in and that you can feel comfortable like you're part of the family, because we all are sisters there in the LadyBoss. And I hope to see you there soon.